This is a video specific for any sciatic pain, just that nerve pain that runs down or the deep ache that we get in our glutes. So you need one block and you need a chair. Bring your hips back and come to sit on your chair. Bring the block down in the middle. And depending on the height of your chair, hopefully your thighs are level and your shins are parallel underneath your knees. So you want to have that nice L position so that your knees aren't too far up. So you want to make sure that your beginning position is level. Then adjust your block so that it's over on the right side and bring your right foot up onto the block. Now lean back and cross your left ankle over your right thigh. Lean forward now, walk your hands back to the base of the chair and shift your seat side to side. As you shift side to side, you'll feel a gentle massage along your outer hip and outer glute. And you don't have to push it. If this is too much of a stretch, you can take your foot off the block and do the same work here. Now, if you want to add a layer, you could make the block a little bit higher. And of course, you'll feel more sensation that way. So you can stay with your arms back, lifting your chest, breathe into the sensation there, or you can start to walk your hands kind of higher up the chair, leaning your chest forward. So you don't have to round and fight it, but use the chair to help extend your spine forward and gently, with your breath, with your attention and your consciousness, move your left thigh down and away as you extend your chest forward. And now you can stay with that or gently sway side to side. You can even tip onto the outer edge of your right foot and get a little bit more movement there. If you feel your shoulders creeping up into your ears, drag your hands down. And of course, you can do this for as long as you'd like. You can even shake or bounce a little bit. Okay, release and switch sides. Again, you can decide the height of your block as you do that here. Okay, so shift your block over to the left side. Lean back to bring your right leg up and over your left. This might be where some of you stay for a while, where you're doing the work leaning back because the flexion of your hips is just too much to begin. Now, if that's a good place for you to be, you could slowly lift up, maybe one side and then the other. Adjust so that you're right on your sits bones and shift your weight side to side. Again, breathe. And if you want to lift the block up a high step, you can adjust there. Inhale your breath. And exhale, shift forward. Maybe even take your hands back a little more and use the power of the chair to help guide you forward. No forcing. Consciousness, intention, attention, and breath. And maybe you go side to side again. If you feel your shoulders rising up, draw them down. And if it becomes a lot, lean back and do the same work here. Last breath, maybe a little bounce or press. And then slowly release. Bring your legs wide, stand up. And notice the difference from side to side. So that's something that you can do taking a break at work in your chair. All you need to have is one block close by, and that will definitely help to shift some of that deep aching or radiating pain that you might experience.